Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let me start off by telling you guys that I am freaking obsessed with this look. I don't know what it is about it. It's so simple and so easy to do that I'm so shocked at how much I like it. It just speaking to me. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you guys want to stick around to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Palette in Rosé. The first shadow I'm picking up is this light peach. With my Sigma E40 taper blending brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. I'm now picking up this light mauve brown. Now I'm switching over to my Sigma E38, and I'm going to start adding definition through the crease with this shadow. Just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions all the way to the inner corner, and then doing circular motions to start blending this out. I'm now picking up this light cream shade. Now with my Sigma E32 Exact Blend brush, I'm going to tap this shadow onto my lid. And then with whatever is left on this brush, just highlight my brow bone. For liner, I'm using the Sigma Liquid Pen Eyeliner in Wicked. So I'm first going to start by lining my upper lash line. And then I'm going to create a line for my outer corner. And then bring that wing back on itself in a curving motion and then fill it in. Now picking up the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Vice. So now for the fun part, I'm going to start lining my lower lash line with this pencil. And that's it. Just kidding. Okay, so I stopped it right about here because I am going to be applying a lighter shade on the inner corner. So now with my E20 Short Shader Brush by Sigma, I'm going to start blending this out, and you have to work quick before these pencils set. Just take some time, just going back and forth. You kind of want to place the brush right at the end of that pencil and then do sideways motions and kind of bringing it a little bit down just to blend this out. If you feel like you lost a little bit of that brightness, you can just reapply and redo those same steps. Now going into this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Heartless. Now I'm going to apply this pencil right on this inner corner, lightly just going a little bit over that purple, and then applying this on my inner corner and up here. Now I'm picking up my Sigma E21 smudge brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges out of this pencil and then lightly just go back and forth between this purple and this pink just to blend them out. For glitter, I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Grind. So I'm going to brush the glitter liner onto my Smashbox Precise Smudger brush, and now I'm going to start tapping this lightly over top of this pink pencil. Applying it on the brush and then tapping it over kind of distributes the glitter evenly. So you can do this however many times you want. I just want it to be super glittery, so I let that set for a few seconds and then I'm applying another layer. Now going into Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil in Wicked. Now I'm going to apply this on my upper waterline. And then going back into this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Vice and just lining my waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these Lashalicious Lashes in Charmalicious. And that's the eye look done. For lipstick, I'm going to be going into the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Nude Potion. I know I use this one all the time, but honestly, it's my favorite nude lipstick, and it just has such a beautiful undertone. I want to try out different nudes, and I do try out different nudes, but I always come back to this one because this one just looks the best, and it just really looks good with every look. I don't know what it is about it, but I need like 10 of them as backup. And that is it. This is the completed look of my wing liner with a pop of purple. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm obsessed. I know I said this in the beginning, but I'm really, really in love with this look. I think this sparkle just did it for me. It really did. It looks so pretty. I'm literally in love with it. You could do this with any color. You could do a blue. I was about to say purple. Duh, we did purple. Red, green, yes. That would look amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products and brushes that I used today will be listed down below as always. And I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!